Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the next legal update of Mary PLI Legal Bulletin. Offering permanent commission to women officers, Justice Hema Kohli, Supreme Court Judge Justice Hema Kohli on Saturday said that offering permanent commission to women is not just about fair play and equality but also about recognizing the unique skill and abilities they bring to the armed forces, which is different set of experience and skills. The judge said while landing Supreme Court decision for permanent commission for women who were earlier offered only short service commissions. Supreme Court has recently disapproved of a departmental selection committee decision to reduce the qualification marks after the publication of results, reducing the cutoff marks after the publication of result only for the purpose of providing in employment to a particular category when the other have already acquired some right power of state government and selection committee to reduce cutoff marks after publication of result held advertisement did not coffin unbridled power either on state government or a selection committee to modify the selection process. False claim about educational qualification in election affidavit is not a corrupt practice as per RP Act. The Supreme Court on Monday observed that the India won votes on the basis of education qualification and therefore providing false information regarding education qualification of an election candidate cannot be termed as corrupt practices within a meaning of Section 123 of the Representation Act 1951 under Anugrah Narayan Singh versus Harshvardhan Vajpayee 2022. High Court seeks detail of pending complaint in Bar Council of Delhi against advocate, says harassment of lawyer can't be countenanced. The Delhi High Court has observed that lawyers being put to harassment and frustration due to repeated complaint to Bar Council cannot be countenanced unless some serious care of misconduct is made out. Justice Pratibha M. Singh directed the Bar Council of Delhi to place on record the details of all pending complaints against the advocate. The information sought include the date of filing of the complaint and first notices. The court further ordered that proceeding in the complaint against the petitioners shall remain stayed till further orders. In Malvika Chaudhary and ORS versus Bar Council of Delhi NR. So that was all for today. We will be back with some more latest legal update next week. Thank you so much.